bats and how to get rid of bats. We're gonna update a video from about 3 years ago where the videography was not the best. We're gonna change that now. What I have found that works the best is the fishing line or the, well, actually I saw somebody put thorny branches up right in a location, right, let's see if I can get there. So what we're gonna be doing is right here, and I'm gonna also shoot or bring in a little bit better film right there and show you what we've actually done that works. And it's the fishing line, why it has to be fishing line or that prickly bush that I'm going to show you, which was actually a really cool idea. I hadn't seen that. I was showing a house the other day. It was brilliant, but fishing line seems to be the only thing that works in the Caribbean or somewhere where we have lots of bats, and I have lots of hummingbird feeders, and I don't always put the feeders away, which that's user error, because so then they're attracted to my house. So let me show you the new and updated video. All right, so what you see here, this is fishing line. This is a lot more organized than what I do because I kind of dangle it also, but you can see they've also put in some aluminum foil around it, but you can see they put it every about 4 inches and just have run it along their entire porch. This porch was a lot lower and my video was much better, but you can see that the fishing line, and I guess it messes with the sonar with the bats, so they don't like it. I found that this works a lot better than string. I've tried string. I've also tried the dangles. I've never tried aluminum foil. Thought that was a really cool idea. And then this next one I've never even thought about, which is just thorny branches, and it just, well, much more like island style, which I thought that was really neat. The last 2 houses that I toured, I asked if I could take a video because I really like that. And I can also see because the bat poop stains everything. So whatever these guys are doing, it was working because it would have dropped on the wood and it would have been stained for life.